Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new here, I'm a financial analyst. I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. Today, we are going to talk about 6 banks that you can get money from for your LLC without proof of business income just yet. So let's get into number 1. All right. As we know, most businesses fail before their 5th year in business, and that is mainly because they don't have enough working capital. They don't have enough money to buy the big order to satisfy all of the customers, or they don't have enough money for payroll so that they can get more work done by hiring more workers. It always boils down to they don't have enough money to stay operational. So before you open your business or before you grow your business, you should deeply consider, how am I going to fund my business when I get off the ground, when it needs to grow? And you can fund your business many different ways, but today we're going to talk about lines of credit and we're going to talk about business credit cards. So right now, these banks are lending based on a regulation called stated income. This is an old regulation, and what it is you use your projections or your stated income to say, if you're able to give me this $40,000 line of credit, then I will make this much money in year 1. After the line of credit is given, I'll make this much money in year 2 and year 3 and so on. Because you don't have any past income, meaning tax returns or all these other things for them to pull upon to look, you are projecting forward to the future. So if your business is brand new, that means you don't have the taxes from last year or 2 years ago, but you do have the stated income, which means you do have the ability to project how much you can make with what you are applying for, with the line of credit or the credit card that you're applying for. So if you have a small business, definitely sit down and look at your market and try to do a 3-year projection of how much money you're going to need for your orders and your products, how much money you're going to need to hire, how much money you're going to need for your rental space, if you need to have an actual store or a storage space. All these different things will be on your projections. So let's get into bank number 1. Bank number 1 is Bank of America. We've all heard of Bank of America for personal banking, but obviously, yes, Bank of America is a business banker too. For small businesses, for large businesses, for all kind of businesses, Bank of America is a very popular bank. So they have lines of credit and they also have business banking credit cards. But before you get into applying for those, make sure you have an LLC. Make sure the name of your business is registered with your state as an LLC. And then also make sure you go to the IRS website and get an EIN number, an employer identification number for your business before you walk into any of these banks and apply. These are the 2 things that you need when you're applying for business credit, or the bare minimum 2 things that you need. So these banks will check your personal credit if you don't have any business history, meaning your business is brand new. So definitely make sure you have good personal credit, and they'll tell you what they want your personal credit score to be in order to extend that business line of credit to you. Sometimes they're in the 650s, sometimes they're in the 680s, but right now Bank of America is at 680 is the lowest they'll extend that business credit to. Next bank is PNC. Now, I really like PNC because this is a mid-sized bank and it caters to small business owners. Not like Bank of America. Bank of America is pretty broad and they mostly cater to very large business owners, but PNC caters to small business owners. They also have a few programs on their term loan right now. So go to their website, and look at what their interest rate is for a business line and what their lowest credit score on the personal side requirement would be. Number 3 is Truist Bank. This is another bank that caters to small business owners. So check out their line of credit and check out their credit cards that they have to offer. Number 4 is Chase Bank. So we've all heard of Chase Bank. You probably have a Chase credit card, but Chase Bank does offer business credit. So check out their website on the business end and get your ducks in a row for what you need to apply for them. Okay, number 5, US Bank. So US Bank has really good credit lines. Right now, their interest rates are low, but it just depends on your credit score on the personal side if you don't have any business history. Now, if you do have business history, you're strictly going to be applying just based on your business credit, and that's all, because you can give them all that past year's data because your business has been operating for at least 2 and 3 years. But if it's brand new, they're going to look at your personal side. Number 6 is Capital One. So all of the offers that I'm specifically talking about now about interest rates, those can change on a daily basis. What they want in your credit score can change on a daily basis. So the day you decide to apply, that is the rate that they have, or that is the limit or minimum credit score that they have for that day. So number 7 is my bonus one. It's not a walk-in bank, but this credit card does have a really good rate on business credits. Right now they have a no annual fee, 0% for 12 months, and minimum credit score is 690 for a business credit card. That's a really good deal for American Express to have no annual fee and to have 0% interest for a whole year. So if you like American Express and you need a business credit card and you have a 690 or above, definitely look at that and check that one out. Okay, I want to talk about the difference between a business line of credit and a business credit card. So, the business credit card is the plastic credit card that you have in your hand, and you can go in and out of stores and purchase things on behalf of your business for your business. But a business line of credit is something that is coming from your bank, a large sum of money that comes from your bank that you pull in to your business, use it for payroll, use it for renovations, use it for bigger things. And then it's revolving. So you don't need it anymore. You return it back to the bank. You're paying it back to the bank, and then the interest accrual stops. The interest is only accruing when you have it out of the bank. So that is your business line of credit. It's a little bit larger and a lesser interest rate than, say, your business credit card over here. So that's the difference between business line of credit and a business credit card. So I hope this video helped you guys out in what you can get for your business and what bank to go to and all these different things. Definitely go to these banks in real time and see their rate, see their credit score limitation, and all of those different things so you can make this choice catered to you and your business. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope this helps. Go ahead and help me out by clicking the like button. Leave me a comment and let me know if this video helped you out and if you guys apply for business credit cards or you would rather apply for a business line of credit for your small business. I want to know what you guys are thinking, what is best for your business. Let me know down in the comments. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.